In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to Asana tasks. If you've ever needed to keep all your project-related files and documents together with your tasks in Asana, you'll find this feature incredibly helpful. Whether it's reports, images, or any essential document, Asana makes it easy to attach these directly to your tasks. To start, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and have your project open. This is your central hub for task management and where we'll be spending our time today. On your Asana project page, you'll see a list of tasks that are part of your project. To add an attachment, the first thing you'll need to do is click on one of these tasks. Doing this will open the Details panel on the right side of your screen. This panel is where all the magic happens, providing an extensive view of everything related to that specific task. Look at the top right of this Details panel. You'll notice a paperclip icon. This icon is the key to adding any attachments you have. Click on the paperclip and you'll be prompted with an option to upload your file. You can either click on the Upload button or simply drag your file directly into the designated upload area. It's crafted to be intuitive, allowing you to attach files with ease and keep everything organized in one place. Once you initiate the upload, Asana will handle the rest, attaching the file to your task and storing it securely alongside your task details. This ensures that whenever you or your team revisit this task, all necessary documents are right there, available at a click. Collaboration becomes seamless, and tracking task progress with supporting documents becomes incredibly straightforward. And there you have it. You have now successfully attached your document or file to the task in Asana. This simple feature can transform how you manage projects, particularly when handling multiple documents or needing to share information consecutively. By keeping your work centralized, Asana not only enhances your productivity, but also provides clarity to your team members, ensuring that everyone is on the same page with all the resources they need. That's all for today's guide. It's a short yet powerful tip that can make a big difference in your project management experience. Don't forget to explore other features Asana offers, which can further streamline your work. Thank you for watching, and happy task managing.